Hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome back to the beautiful platform of Adhyalay. In today's class, we are going to learn something very interesting, and that is photoperiodism. So let's begin. What are we waiting for? So in photoperiodism, the literal meaning of it, you all know. You can break it into two components, photo and periodism. So periodism is always related to what? Duration, right? It is always related to duration, and photo is always related to what? Light. So we are going to see the effect of light, the exposure and the duration of the light, effect of duration and exposure of light on the flowering of the plant. Okay, flowering of the plant. So let's begin. So there is a critical period. Okay, there is a critical photo period ever which, if a plant is flowering, let's say there is a plant, case 1, I have made cases. So case 1, let's say there is a plant which requires more light than the critical photo period. We always have a critical photo period decided. Now, if there is the requirement of light more than this critical photo period, if then only the plant is going to flower, right, above the critical photo period, then that kind of plant will be called as what? Long day plant, because it requires more duration of light than the critical photo period, for more duration. Just ulta, if the plant requires less than critical photo period, if the plant requires less than critical photo period for flowering, that will be short day plant. Now, there are some plants which do not get affected at all. Okay, whether it is more light or less light, whether it is, extending the critical photo period or it is less than the critical photo period, it doesn't bother them. So that is case 3. So they are very neutral, and these plant will be called as day neutral plant. Duration of light does not affect the flowering, right? So this is very easy to understand. Now, coming to examples. Sometimes examples come in the exam, though it is not given in NCERT, but it comes. So at least one example you should remember. Yes? So it is very difficult to remember the example. So how are we going to remember it? So let's prepare food. Okay, let's prepare food, and you have to prepare food for, let's say, lunch. You have been asked to prepare food for lunch. So what you do? You are going to prepare rice. Okay, the main items. Jaldi you will prepare rice, then soya bean. You will mix onion in soya bean. So chawal, onion, soya bean, mix bhaji you will make. Rice, soya bean, onion. Jaldi you have prepared. Fast you have prepared. So in short time you have prepared it. So that is short day plant. Example. Now you are not, very satisfied. You want more. So what you will do? I want more variety. So what you will do? Okay, ठीक है. I will make aloo palak मूली. ठीक है? Aloo, potato, spinach, palak, radish, मूली. So this is the second variety. So it will take some time to prepare, right? Jaldi in short duration of time you could prepare rice, soya bean, onion. Right? Now you want more variety. So you have added palak, potato, and mooli to your dish. Got it? So that is long day plant. Now you want some garnishing. You want what? Some salad in your food. So salad can be prepared by what? Some tomatoes, cucumber, pea, right? Some tomato, cucumber, pea. That can be there in what? Salad. So sometimes you have your food with salad, and sometimes you don't have your food with salad. Doesn't matter much, right? That is not the main food. It's neutral. Your life is neutral. You have it, fine. You don't have it, then also it is fine, right? So it is what? Example of day neutral plant. So I hope you got it now. है ना, जल्दी जल्दी you have to prepare, चावल सोयाबीन ऑनियन मिलाओ बना दो. Then I want more variety, ठीक है, आलू पालक रेडिश का एक और वैरायटी. Then what you want, थोड़ा सैलेड भी चाहिए तो क्यूकम्बर टोमेटो पी मिला लो, थोड़ा सैलेड खा लो, right? So that is the example for short day, long day and day neutral plant, right? Now the flower which you get, that is the modification of shoot, you know. So how this flower is coming on the shoot? You know that the light is trapped by the leaf. Leaf traps the light, and how come the shoot is developing into flower? Then what thing should come to your mind? There is something which is coming from leaf till here, that is helping in the development of the flower, right? So you know what is the pigment which traps the light? Phytochrome. What is it? Phytochrome which traps the light. Now since it traps the light, what will happen? There is, a hypothetical hormone, they say, that once they trap the light, what happens? The phytochrome has trapped the light. After that, what happens? There is a hormone which is released, and that is called as florigen. Flori is related to flower and gen matlab generation, है ना? Flower forming hormone, the hormone which makes the flower. So this is how you get the formation of flower. This is how you get the formation of flower, right? Now, very important concept, phytochromes which you get, they can be of two types. One is PFR. One is what? PFR. What do you mean by PFR? Phytochrome FR. What do you mean by FR? Far red. What is PR? Phytochrome R. ठीक है? Red. Phytochrome red. So PFR is phytochrome far red. PR is phytochrome red. Cool? Now, you can see I have written the ratio of PFR upon PR is greater than 1. You need to find out this value you will get for long day plant or short day plant. Think. I will tell you the property of them, ठीक है? Far red. When will you get far red? Far red, Vivgyor. After that, after red, you will get far red. Which means far red you will get somewhere in the evening. During evening time, you will get far red. Because during the daytime, it is Vivgyor, visible light. In the evening, you will get more far red, right? It means PFR is related to what? Dark time, right? PFR is related to what? The pigment phytochrome during the dark time, okay? PR is what? During visible daytime, phytochrome R. So during daytime, what will happen? PR will be active and PR will be absorbing the red light. And during, evening time, night time, whatever light is there, that will be absorbed by PFR, phytochrome FR. One more property they have, and that is that PFR can change to PR and vice versa. PR can change to PFR. This concept is very, very important. This is very, very important. PFR can change to PR and PR can change to PFR. Very important concept. Now use your brain and think. ठीक है? Use your brain and think. Long day plant will require more duration of light, more than critical photo period. More duration of light means more visible light it requires. So during that time, which phytochrome will be active? Red, PR. So PR will be trapping the light during the daytime. In long day plant, PR will be trapping the light. And what will happen to PR? When PR absorbs the light, it gets converted to PFR. So which plant is exposed Which plant is exposed for more duration to the light, visible light? कौन सा plant ज्यादा देर तक exposed है visible light से? Long day. तो long day में कौन सा phytochrome absorb करेगा? Red वाला phytochrome R, PR. उनमें क्या property है? जितना phytochrome आप light को absorb करवाओगे वो उतना change हो जाएगा PFR में. तो PR change हो जाएगा PFR में. इसकी वजह से क्या होगा? PFR उस प्लांट में ज्यादा हो जाएगा. PR लाइट को ट्रैप करता जा रहा है और PFR में कन्वर्ट होता जा रहा है. तो उस प्लांट में PFR की वैल्यू PR से ज्यादा हो जाएगी. एंड दैट इज व्हाई द रेशियो ऑफ PFR अपॉन PR is greater than 1. So what do you understand by this? That PFR is more and PR is less. That's why the value is greater than 1, and this will be for long day plant. This will be for long day plant, right? Because in long day plant, PR will be absorbing the light and they will get converted to PFR. Come to the other case, vice versa. Let's say short day plant. So in short day plant, it will love to be in the dark. So what will be active? PFR will be active. Since PFR is active, what will be happening? In short day plant, PFR will be getting converted to PR. PFR किस में convert होगा? PR में. तो short day plant में कौन ज्यादा हो जाएगा? जब PFR convert होता जा रहा है PR में तो PR will be more. So if I keep PR in the numerator and PFR in the denominator, कौन ज्यादा? PR ज्यादा. Numerator अगर ज्यादा, denominator अगर कम, तो value एक से ज्यादा, more than 1. So this is the value for short day plant. I hope you understood it. How I found out the ratio. Yes, if you have understood it, please comment below that yes ma'am, we have understood. And anything else you want me to make the video on, you can let me know. All right, all the best for your exam. I hope you are preparing well. ठीक है? Do share this with your loved ones, with your friends, so that they also get helped. है ना? Okay, thank you. See you.